going on, guys? It's your boy S4 James. I'm back with another video. If you watched my last video, it was an unboxing of the EAFC Car Starter. Now we're actually going to show you guys how this works. We're going to do it on my old S10. My old S10 has been dead for probably about a week and a half now. So we're going to try to jump in with this and get everything to come on. So let's get to it right now. Guys can see right here. I'm gonna plug this in. I turn it on real quick. 99%. I think it's charged. So let's put this over here. Let's plugged in. All right, let's get you guys a little closer on me actually doing this now. Hit the button here. This is my positives over here. Let's get to the little negative. Nub 1. Whoops. A little windy out here, guys. Perfect time to do a jump. Nub 1, nub 2. Hit the button. Oh. Fell off again. 2. You guys can see right here, 99%. Now let's go see if this works. Walk around real quick. Oh, didn't unlock those doors. Oh no, not my keys. All right, let's see if she works. Key in. Oh, got noise. You see that battery gauge right there? All right. Hey, it works. So guys, as we see, the EAFC Car Starter does work. Jump in your car, and it's nice and portable. I 100% recommend, especially, you got some of your friends that their cars might die, and nobody carries jumper cables as much anymore. And these are definitely good to have because not only does it jump like your car battery, you can charge your phone, and it has a flashlight with it too. It's definitely 100% worth it. I'll drop the link and everything in the description. Definitely get one of these from EAFC. They also sell other things too, like you saw in my other video. They have a car pump as well for air and tires, for tires and air. Tires to pump your car. No, air. You know what? They have an air pump for you guys to buy as well to pump up your tires. I'll holler at you guys in the next video again. I'll see you.